Welcome back, everyone. Today we're diving into a story that's creating major conversations across social media and the entertainment world. Kim Kardashian, one of the most influential figures in pop culture and activism, made powerful remarks about immigration policy just moments before receiving one of the most respected honors in her career, the Diane von Furstenberg Award for her ongoing work in prison reform. What she said before accepting the award has people talking worldwide. During the 16th annual DVF Awards held in Venice, Kim was recognized for her dedication to justice reform, an effort that has spanned several years, from advocating for wrongly convicted individuals to helping those unfairly sentenced find a second chance. But before taking the stage to accept her award, Kim turned the spotlight onto another urgent issue: immigration policy under the current administration. Her comments weren't planned for drama. They were heartfelt, informed, and personal. Speaking to reporters, Kim expressed concern for families and communities affected by immigration enforcement actions. She said she's been hearing stories of people who have lived and worked in the United States for years, people who have supported their neighborhoods, raised families, and contributed to building the country, now facing fear and uncertainty. She called for compassion and understanding, emphasizing the need to protect the people who have supported and built our country. Kim noted that while discussions around immigration often focus on law enforcement or border security, the human side of the story is being overlooked. Many of those impacted, she said, are not criminals but hardworking individuals who help keep America running every day. Her message was clear: reform and safety can coexist, but not at the cost of the people who form the backbone of the nation's workforce and communities. These words struck a chord, especially because Kim is one of the few high-profile figures who have publicly worked with both political sides. Many remember when she previously collaborated with the government to help grant clemency to several nonviolent offenders, including Alice Marie Johnson, whose story changed national conversations about sentencing reform. This time, however, her message was directed toward the moral responsibility of protecting those who contribute positively to society. At the DVF Awards ceremony, Kim appeared emotional yet composed as she accepted her recognition for criminal justice advocacy. Surrounded by activists, world leaders, and artists, she reflected on how her journey into reform began, from learning about injustice through individual stories to using her influence to push for systemic change. She thanked her team, mentors, and the countless people behind the scenes who have been working for equality and second chances. Her speech tied together two issues that often overlap: the justice system and immigration. Both, she said, are about fairness and humanity. While her primary focus remains prison reform, she reminded the audience that real change requires empathy across all areas of policy. It was a reminder that progress isn't just about changing laws. It's about changing hearts. Many attendees and online viewers praised Kim's courage to speak on such a sensitive subject during a prestigious event. Others saw it as a sign that she's using her celebrity in a meaningful way, transforming her platform from fashion and entertainment into advocacy and reform. Whether people agree with her politically or not, there's no denying that her influence reaches millions, and when she speaks, the world listens. Kim closed her remarks at the DVF Awards with a hopeful tone. She said she believes in the power of unity and understanding and urged everyone to use their voices to make a difference, no matter how small. Her message that night wasn't about politics, it was about people. About protecting those who work hard, care for their families, and have built their lives contributing to the country's success. So, what do you think about Kim Kardashian's statement before accepting her award? Do you believe more celebrities should use their platforms to speak up about social issues, or should they stay out of politics? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share so more people can join the discussion. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next story.